Hello guys, welcome back friends. Dear students, here in the tutorial I would also apply these beautiful changes on that beautiful image. Like here I'm going to apply these flowers on that side. So on that side guys I have to apply these flowers on it, and here these ones have been applied on the pictures which are going to be looks like that. There guys, here further we could try to apply that lines on the image, and here I have to choose that one lens on that side where I have to change its hue.